My name's James Bird, I'm the Senior SHE Manager for KIER Strategic Highways. I lead and mentor the SHE teams across the highways business. One of the problems that we've got within our industry is we do a lot of pothole repairs. They've traditionally been done with hand breaker pack, and that carries problems around hand-down vibration, musculoskeletal injuries and the impact of noise. We went to JCB to look to work collaboratively with them to help develop a product to reduce the noise, dust and HAVS exposure for our operatives, to increase our productivity and reduce cost.
I'm Richard Woodhouse, Senior Maintenance and Innovation Manager on the Northamptonshire contract for KIER WSP. Back in early 2017, we had a meeting with Strategic Highways, JCB, regarding a trial for a 3CX compact machine planing and patching on the local authority networks and the strategic networks. We engaged both GAP and S&D Paving to carry out this trial. The introduction of the machines improved productivity by our 2-3-man gang. They were averaging between 10 and 12 square metres a day. In the 3-month trial, we've done 4,700 square metres, which is on average about 78, 79 square metres a day.
We've also reduced our cost from £87 per square metre to £36 per square metre. All in all, delivering better value for the customer.
My name's Neville Roberts. I work on behalf of S&D Paving for the urban planing patching programme. I supervise the gang and the day-to-day running of the jobs. The machine, it literally does everything for us. It stops the lads from having to hand dig. It sweeps up in a clean, correct manner. It takes everything away from the depth that we need it to do. Compact machine, it can be moved up and down and it can do the job efficiently and clean and safely.
Stephen O'Neill, and I work for S&D and I'm a machine operator. If job's less than 20 miles, we drive it from A to B at a good rate of speed. It gets me from job to job quite comfortably. The plane on the end of the boom is really good. It moves well. I can get into some tight positions and it's very easy to operate, especially using the servos.
KIER has a Vision 2020 strategy and the number one priority of that is to operate a safe and sustainable business. By working collaboratively with JCB, we're hoping to deliver on that. By changing working methods from the traditional way of breaking out tarmac and putting the operator in a sealed cab, we've reduced his exposure to dust, reduced his exposure to noise, and completely eliminated the risk of hand-down vibration and manual handling.
It's a good machine to work with health and safety wise. It stops the labour on the lads, cleans up as we go along, leaving the street how it should be left in a clean, tidy and correct manner. Using big planers from big machine gangs that make a lot of noise, a lot of disruption and a lot of disruption to the tenants in the urban area, whereas this machine causes none of that whatsoever.
Noise levels inside the cab are very low. When guys are working around me with jackhammers and compressors, I find it very comfortable to be in the cab and I don't have to wear any ear protectors.
Craig White, Assistant Liaison Officer for Northamptonshire Highways. By using this machinery, it means that we can do a single repair work on the carriageway, which means it'll be more permanent, there'll be less disruption to the community, and residents will have that feeling that a proper repair work has been done, and it will have less impact on their daily lives.
I think the machine plugs a big gap in the market. I believe like urban clustering type streets, urban streets, we want to keep the disruption down to a minimum. With the public, it takes practically no room, giving all the tenants access to the properties.
I'm Neil Fawkes, Major Accounts Director for the GAP Group. Being one of KIER's largest suppliers and working closely with KIER Highways Division, we're tasked with trying to find efficient and cost-saving equipment to replace older and tried methods. This package certainly seems to be generating cost-effective savings and also generating greater efficiencies. I think what GAP adds to the value of this trial is the service support element. We've sent our operatives away to be trained so they can maintain the machine to its optimum level whilst the trial's being conducted. And for the wider picture going forward, we'll replicate that nationally to support KIER Highways in all of their contracts where these machines are used day to day.
We've had one contractor carrying out the traffic management, pedestrian management and the works on the ground, and that makes it easier in managing the sites.
It helped a lot with the JCB training at head office with using the machine, especially with the planer. and the sweeping bucket. We spent a day and a half training on with 2 guys, and they showed us where all the controls were.
My name's Chris Bridge. I'm the Global Product Manager for the 3CX Compact. Part of my role is to work with the highways industry to find innovative solutions to their daily challenges. Passion shown by James Bird and Richard Woodhouse from KIER have been key to the success of the project. From the very beginning, they've recognised the benefits in terms of health and safety, environment, and in terms of the cost reduction and productivity they could achieve with the machine. By collaborating with the whole supply chain, be it KIER, GAP, Northamptonshire Highways and S&D Paving, we've been able to deliver a right first time repair solution for the roads in Northamptonshire.